Hey everyone, here at West Texas Windshields in Odessa, we've seen and heard it all when it comes to broken auto glass. Stick around to learn about the most common mistakes to avoid when your auto glass is damaged. Many assume a small windshield chip is no big deal and ignore it. But the damage won't just go away, it usually gets worse. Small chips turn into larger cracks that could become dangerous, so don't ignore it. Many people use DIY windshield repair kits to save some money, only to find out the materials are ineffective, the tools are unreliable, and it's not an easy fix. Instead, trust an expert technician for repairs. Repair tutorials can be helpful, but you don't always know if the person making the video is a professional. What's more, videos make the repair process look easier than it is. Call a pro instead. Many people choose the first auto glass company they see rather than doing their research. Always choose a reputable company with licensed and experienced auto glass technicians for repairs. Don't make these common mistakes when you have damaged auto glass. Instead, call West Texas Windshields for efficient auto glass repairs and replacements from friendly, professional technicians. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video.